Hello, welcome to my demo of Bug Tracker. It's a project management tool that's intended for use as an internal tool within an organization. I built this app with a React front end, Node backend, and the database language is PostgreSQL. As you can see here, we got the login page. I'll start out by showing the sign up page. So I'll start by making a new user. Let's call James. An account. It won't let me because the email already exists with the system. So we'll make a new email and then it'll sign up just right. So by default, James Hoffman is a developer as a role within the application. I'm going to log in as myself, an admin, just to show you some of the authorization features. Okay, so now that we're logged into my account, you can see the projects that are within the organization. If we wanted to create a new project, say, we can assign team members. So I'll assign myself, and let's assign James Hoffman as well. So you'll see that it pops up down here. I'll go into a project that we already have created just so we'll have some data. Also on the dashboard, you can see some statistics about tickets that I, as a user, have inputted into the system. So here on the project page, we can see our team that's assigned to this particular project, as well as the tickets that are involved with the project. So you can add new members as well. So we'll add James to this project since he's a new developer, that maybe a new hire to the organization. And then you can see your tickets over here. And so within the tickets, when you select them, you know, the information shows up down at the bottom of the screen. And so with the ticket, it has what type of ticket it is. So this is an issue, or just like a kind of a general ticket. You can also have bug fixes or feature requests, the status of the ticket, and a little bit of information on it. And then it'll also show which devs are assigned to it. So let's say we are deploying the project and we want to assign James as well to it. We'll edit that here and then go to the deploy project page, or ticket, excuse me. And here James is updated down here. Within the tickets, you can also add comments. And so we can say, welcome James. Here. So our second tab, it shows all the tickets of a particular user. So these are all the tickets that myself as a user have created. And then if you click on it, it'll just bring you to the project page of that ticket. And finally, we have an administration tab. And this one shows the entire organization, and only if you have the role of an admin can you make changes here. So now we're logged in as James. I'm going to go into the Bug Tracker project again and then go to where we just had that comment, just to show that as James we can type in a comment as well. And then it'll show up as James down here. You'll also notice that James doesn't have access to the admin tab. That's just because he has the authorization role of a developer and not an admin. So I'll demo creating a ticket. And then it'll be in progress. We'll submit that and it'll show up here. So we can click on that, see all this information that we just put in. And then if we go to tickets, you'll see it pops up here. And this will bring us back to the project. So with that created ticket, you can also see that the statistics down here update with it. Obviously, James only has one ticket to his name, so it's only showing up as 100%. And then finally, when you log out, it essentially just clears the local history and ends that user session and redirects back to the login page. Thank you for checking out my Bug Tracker app. I hope that you enjoyed learning a little bit about it, and I appreciate your time.